to lock the car, man. Somebody's already getting broken into over there. Really? Why does he stand like... Really? Thank you. All right, everybody, we're at Rock Brews. We're starting off with some appetizers today, and this was not my idea. This was my girlfriend who ordered these, so it's technically not my fault. And we're also going to be having entrees too. So right here, we got pot stickers. I'm going to have 3 of these. Then I'm only going to have 1 of these birria tacos right here. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. I might be wrong, but going to be keeping the calories low, and to make sure, I'm going to be drinking a ton of water, and I can still eat like 1,200 calories today and be perfectly fine, since I really haven't eaten a whole lot today. I don't know if you guys can hear anything I'm saying at all because it's loud out here, but we're going to eat up these appetizers. Then I'll show you guys the food that I got. I just decided to get a cheeseburger because there wasn't anything healthy on the menu that I honestly wanted. So let's take a bite of one of these. Oh, these look pretty good, actually.
Dip it in the sauce.
I don't know if I want the sauce. We going? All right, everybody, I got the main entree here. Decided to go with the Gastropub burger. And since I had some food for the appetizers, or I had some appetizers, I'm losing my mind already. But this is going to be... Let's just go again. Then back again. I'm getting confused. All right, everybody. I got the main entree tonight. I'm already dropping stuff on the table, making a mess here. But I got the Gastropub burger. So I think it's like a 1/4 pound burger with bacon, cheese, and an egg on top. This comes with French fries as well. So since I had some appetizers already, I'm just gonna have to make sure not to eat this entire entree just to keep the calories down a little bit. So I'll show you guys after the fact what I don't eat, and this is going to be it for the night. Also gonna use some of this birria sauce that came with the tacos and a little bit of the ketchup as well, and I just won't use too much of it to keep the calories down a little bit. All right. Gonna just eat the fry, because if I eat the burger, I'm gonna make a total mess. Messy. Is that alarm coming from, man? It's making me nervous. Excuse me. Sorry. Come on, video or what? All right, everybody, we're done at Rock Brews. As promised, I did not have a beer, even though I really wanted one. I don't know if you can see me, so I'll turn on the light. And we had the appetizers, and to make sure that I didn't have too many calories today, I didn't really eat the entire burger. I ate all the fries, but here's how much of the burger I left. And that's only because I had so much stuff before the main meal. Can we just start over? I'm fucking confused.
You want me to delete it?
You can just leave it. I might keep it.
Okay.
We're going?
Yeah.
All right, everybody, we're done at Rock Brews now, and as promised, I did not have a beer or any alcohol, even though I really wanted a beer. 1, because I didn't want the extra calories, and 2, because I don't need to be drinking beer that much. That's enough beer for a little while. Had the appetizers, so I had 1 taco, 3 pot stickers, and then to keep the calories down today, I drank about 3 to 4 glasses of water. Also, didn't eat the entire burger. I only ate about half the burger, maybe a little more than half, maybe about 60% to be honest. And I ate all of the French fries, so that should keep the calories down. And I should be just about at 2,000 calories for the day, staying at a good calorie deficit for today. So hit the diet good. Not gonna be eating out for a while. That's gonna be it for a little bit, because we need to stop spending money out. And I need to stop eating junk food out at restaurants and stuff. So I'm gonna be taking a little bit of a break, hit the workout, hit the diet hard, got it done today, and we're gonna keep doing it tomorrow. I'll see you guys for day 37 already. I'm excited. We're going to keep up this same energy, and I'll see you guys for that.